Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make an AI animation video in InVideo. In order to do so, here we are at InVideo.io and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for can be found here where it says create AI video. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can see that we have this helpful option here at the bottom that says create animated film. We can go ahead and click on that, and then you can see here that we have some additional options that we can choose. We can create a video that's 1 minute long up to 5 minutes long, and here you can type in your topic. If you have a script, you can add that as well. So this is something that I just threw in there, just about a time traveler, and we're going to play around with that, see what the results are. Now, I am on the free version, so unfortunately I can only use stock footage and not generative clips. So what you can do from here is you just hit continue, and InVideo will begin generating your movie. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the results, and we'll see how this turned out.
Why do 80% of people believe time travel could change the world? Let's find out with Mag and Sam. Meet Mag, the fearless time traveler, and her AI buddy, Sam. Together, they zip through pivotal moments in history, making epic changes to ensure a brighter future for humanity. From preventing ancient wars to sparking revolutionary ideas, Mag and Sam have seen it all. Imagine witnessing the signing of the Declaration of Independence or seeing the first steps on the moon. But it's not just about the big events. Mag and Sam also help everyday people, turning small acts of kindness into ripples that transform the world. Join them on their latest mission, saving the future by tweaking the past. Time travel has never been this thrilling. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Remember, with Mag and Sam, every second counts. Don't miss out on their next adventure.
All right, so that gives you an idea of what the results can be like. And again, in this case, we had to use stock footage, but it gives you an idea of what a animated version would be. So if you want to play around with that, then you are going to need the subscription. In addition, we are partnered with InVideo for this series, and if you click on the link in the description, then you can help the channel out, and we would certainly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.